Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to cook a clams with XO sauce recipe. Please watch it until the end, let's go. For the garnish, we need 2 slices of white bread. Slice out the bread crust. Then slice it into small cubes. Toast it until it becomes dry. Sprinkle some salt. Two green onions. Take the green part and cut it thinly. Thinly slice half of Indian onion. Heat the pan, add the garlic soaking oil. Sauté the onion on low heat until it caramelizes. Then add the grated ginger. After it becomes a bit brown, add the garlic. Add the half of green onion. Add 2 tablespoons of XO sauce. Anyway, we've been made it in previous video. Go check it out if you want to make it yourself. Stir it well. When bubbling, add the pre-washed and boiled clams. Mix well. Then add 1 block of chicken stock. Continue to stir, and if it's too dry, you can add in some water. Don't cook it for too long, otherwise the clams become chewy. Add 1 teaspoon of tapioca. Mix it well and add 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Stir it well again and it's done. Top it with toasted white bread and your clams is ready to serve. What should we cook next time? Please comment it below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. What should we cook next time? Please comment it below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.